Okay, now here's the coiling segment. To do coiling, you need a coiling set like this. They call this a Coil Master. I got it from Geek Vape, and it comes with the mandrels here, which are the diameters. It has 1 millimeter or 1.5 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 2.5 millimeter, 3 millimeter, 3.5 millimeter, and 4 millimeter. Okay? Those are the diameters of the inside of your coils, inside diameter of the coil. Okay? Then you have your coiling tool. This is a jig. They would call this device a jig. You take your mandrel and you put it in here. Now, depending on the size of this mandrel, there's a series of, right here you can see them. This is 4 mil, so I go here and I look at 4 mil, and this is it. You put your wire on there and you turn it like this, and however many turns you want it. Okay? There's different kinds of wire. Here's some different kinds of wire. You can just see. I'm not going to do one here, but there you go. Okay, there's all different kinds of wire from the same company. The wire's from the same company. The tools are from the same company. So you choose your wire. You make your coil, test it out. When you're done, you put it all away. It goes away. It's very easy. Okay, if I was doing a different size coil, I would just take a different mandrel and put it inside. Okay. I'll put this away. Now, the second most important tool I would say that you're going to have for wicking would be needle nose pliers, which this set obviously comes with. Very good needle nose pliers. They're very small. They're very sharp. Third, I would say, is scissors. Okay, here they are, folding scissors. I also, for the cotton near the juice holes, I use these scissors. I bought them separately. Okay, these ones are good for cutting, cutting the big lengths of cotton and that. But if I want to get right in there to the really small juice ports, this is what I use. These smaller scissors. I put them in here. Okay, put those away. Now, finally, the last thing, these aren't just tweezers, these are ceramic tweezers. It's when you're burning in coils and you're getting hot spots and you want to get the current going and you want to separate those coils and push them apart, you use these. You can do it while it's red hot. If you do it while it's red hot, it's much easier to stay that way. If you do it with the steel ones, these are made of steel, you'll get a short because of the circuit. Okay? And you might blow a fuse. So you use these. These are ceramic. They're naturally insulated. The electricity won't flow through them. With the steel ones, it will. Now, once you're coiling, just putting these away, once you're coiling, you need pretty good needle nose. These are very sharp needle nose wire cutters. You see how tiny they are? You can get in there right behind those velocity decks. Get into those really small places and just clip off that wire. Just clip it off. Okay? And they're very sharp. You must have these because even if you have stock coils, you still got to cut those legs. You must have these. You can't coil without them. You can't coil actually without any of these tools. You need all these tools to coil. Some of these tools are just for making your own coils, but if you're changing coils on a deck, you must have all these tools. And last, you have screwdriver. If you have a good tank, it's going to come with its own tool. This tool, this orange tool, it came with the Aroma Miser Plus. This other black one, which is exactly the same, came with this tool set. These two are the same. This one came with the actual tank that I bought, and this one came with this tool set. They're identical. Plus, they give you a few more screwdrivers here. Okay, so I have a flathead here, flathead, and the same screwdriver, but a Phillips right here. That's your coiling. Whoops. I put extra tools in here, like I said. I'm just going to close it up, show you how I close it up. So I have an extra pair of scissors. I always keep them in here. I don't want to lose them. I don't want to use them for anything else. I just throw them in here. I don't lose them. The Allen key for one of my decks is right there. There's space for it. So the Allen key that came with my deck, it's right there. I know that's the exact Allen key for the Aroma Miser Plus. I just keep it there. Okay. And I put my other extra wrench, Allen wrench, right there. Extra. That's it.